Imagination creates the fantasy. Technology is the wizard's wand that brings the illusion to life. But it is the age-old art of makeup that works its special effects on the living. Grease paint and a brush, a powder puff and false hair. These are the tools with which the artist works his sorcery. Slowly, the familiar and ordinary are dramatically transformed into creatures that could only roam our darkest nightmares.
Thinking about
Where do you get a load of this?
It's the Beetlejuice Graveyard Revue, a rock and roll review of monster mashers. They're dead. We're grateful.
It's showtime!
We're wild things! You think we're Friday, but we make everything!
We're still scary creatures, a fact you just can't hide. But Beetlejuice, he changed us. He rearranged us. Hey, Beetlejuice, he understood. This Wolfman has to sing. He rearranged my molecules in a small machine. I wanna thank you for letting me be myself again. He's a natural. He don't have to all the way till the midnight hour. Pushing the chill up and down your spine. Not that I got megalomania. I'm the hardest thing in Transylvania in the midnight. When a man loves a woman, he stands up tall and strong. Feels electrified with their hands free. Well, I ain't too handsome, honey. And sometimes I'm a fool. You make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel like a natural woman. Dance all night till the morning come. Daylight's cold and they want more. Come, Mr. Drummer Man, make me a rhythm. Goodness gracious is good, Miss Gracious, goodness gracious, great balls of fire.